Hey guys, Chris here. You know how I'm rebuilding this shelving in the garage? So I was at Lowe's when I got this 4x8 sheet of sanded plywood. Right, no big deal. And just put it in the back of the truck. But you know, because it was so windy, I decided I needed to ratchet strap it down, right? And so I had some of these Reese 400-pound cargo straps, ratchet straps. You know, they work pretty good. They're not the best, but they really do the job. And let me show you what I did and what happened. And quite honestly, this really pissed me off. I was struggling in the wind trying to secure this thing down. So imagine the piece of plywood with the tailgate up, right? And so I wanted to put it over the piece of plywood, and it just would not. It just kept coming out. Where that black end goes into the eyelet on the bed of the truck, thing just kept falling out, falling out, falling out. Finally, I pulled a guy over to hold it in place while I got in the other end and ratchet strapped it down. So I scratched my head. There's got to be a better way. So I had some of these old, I think these are rated for 350 pounds. So it's a pretty good match with these ratchet straps. So what I had to do was get the old black portion of the straps off. Now check this out. This is what I had to do. So I put them in a vise. Tried to use my BFS, which stands for big frickin' screwdriver. And that didn't work worth a crap. Struggling. So I said, well, I'll get out my saw and, you know, with a blade on there, and that didn't work worth a crap. It's like, oh man. So got the old bolt cutters out, and that worked out really good. So I had to do the next one. Sweet. Now let's check it in the back of the truck. And hopefully this helps out the next guy too, you know, with any of these videos. I always say there's no bad video out there. You know, if I make a bad video, it may show someone what not to do. But I think this is going to work out really good. And I'm sure many other guys have had this happen when they're doing it yourself, trying to ratchet strap something down, and that frickin' strap comes loose on the other eyelet, and you're going back and forth trying to strap stuff down. Now, good to go. Heck yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Like yesterday